Hi everyone. Hey, it's Dr. Alan Levy here, and it's a crazy time of year. We've just transitioned into 2020, and as I've looked back over 2019, and I think about my patients, and I think about what was good and what was bad and what was tough and what was amazing. I recognize that a lot of folks have trouble. They want to get healthy. They want to make health a priority in their life, but sometimes it doesn't work that way. Sometimes they don't put all the pieces together in a way that actually produces more health, right? And I want to help you do that. I want to help you make health a reality for 2020. So I've decided to do an in-office workshop on January 27th, right here in our office at 12 o'clock or at noon to 1. So hopefully that'll be easy for you to get to. Come spend some time with us. And I'm going to share with you some secrets. How to put the 5 things you need to put together in order to be healthier in the new year. And yeah, everyone knows there's diet, there's rest, there's exercise, but there's 2 things that are missing out of that formula, and there are specific things that you can do that are not hard, but that will make the steps you take that much more effective and exponentially increase your chance of success in 2020. So look for more information about our workshop, Making Health a Reality for You in 2020, and it's going to be here January 27th from noon to 1, and I look forward to meeting you.